Hey friends, I have been wearing strip lashes since 1989 and I can put them on fast and easy and I'm really good at teaching, so let's get started. I like to tell people who are new to lash strips to pick Ardell number 110, okay, that's Ardell number 110, or the brand Kiss in Shy. I love these because they're natural and they're a great way to start. The first thing you're gonna do is you're going to take your thumb. You don't want to try to peel them off because you can rip the strips. So you're going to take your thumb and you're going to go like this, and you're just going to kind of roll your thumb to get them off, okay? And then you can carefully take the lash off, okay? I like to take them both off at the same time. So again, I'm going to take my thumb and I'm going to do this motion to kind of get that little bit of glue off of there so that they come off nice and easily. Otherwise, you really can destroy the lash. Okay, so once you have the lash, very few people in the world have an eye that is this long, okay? This is the number one mistake I see, is that women try to put the entire strip on. Not only is that uncomfortable, but it just doesn't fit most people's eyes. So what I recommend you doing is taking tweezers, putting it up to your eye. Okay, I've been putting these on forever. I would never wear that whole strip. And I see young girls doing this on Instagram and Pinterest, and they wear the whole strip and it goes like way in here and way out there and even hangs off a little bit, and it looks fake and ridiculous. That's not why we're wearing fake lashes. We're wearing fake lashes so that they make our own lash line really pop, so that they lift the eye, but we want to do this smart. So one of the best things you can do is you're going to take off the littlest pieces, okay? So I look for the little teeny nubs, and here, let me put these on so I can see what I'm doing. I go over about 2 little nubs, okay? 1, 2, and I cut the first 2 off. Okay, with just, see? And I cut those little 2, do you see that? Little 2 nubs, cut them off. We don't need them, get rid of them, okay? Then, before you get confused, go to the inside of your other lash, count over 1, 2 little nubs, and cut them off, okay? And here's the other little nub, 1, 2. Now, we're not done yet because that's still gonna be a little too long for most eyes, and I want these to be comfortable and go on easily. Okay, now that we cut that inner eye, let's cut the outer eye. So cut the last 2 little nips off, go over 1, 2, okay, and boom, I just cut off 2 of the outer, okay? Now, doesn't that look more reasonable? Watch this. This is a much more reasonable length, okay? Much more reasonable. So we'll glue those on in a minute. Now I'm gonna take my other lash. I'm going to cut off the last 2 little nibs on here. So we cut off the 2 inner and the 2 outer, boom, boom. Cut that little one off. And now we have a lash length that will fit most eyes. Again, you can still put it up to your eye and see if that's gonna fit. You do not want it coming all the way in here, and you do not want it hanging off too much your eye. You want it to actually fit your eye. This is so important, and what I see is the biggest mistake women make. Now, I've recently just switched to safer products. I have been doing Duo Eyelash Glue, which is an excellent glue, but it is full of formaldehyde. And so I can't really switch over to Safe Beauty and keep putting formaldehyde on my eyelids. I also have a lot of clients, and I'm in a huge makeup group, and I hear it again and again. More people have a really harsh reaction to the Duo eye glue, not to knock Duo, but it's the latex. So my friend Cecilia just found the same company, Kiss, has a non-latex glue. I personally haven't tried it, but she says it is working great. So I'm gonna I just haven't found it anywhere. I'm probably gonna have to look at Walgreens or CVS, but we're kind of been in a quarantine. So I've really researched clean latex-free, safe ingredients for eyelash glues, and I came up with Thrive Cosmetics. This got tremendous reviews, really, really good reviews, and I was really excited to try it. And what I liked about it is, check this out. It's remember, it's no latex and it's no toxic ingredients. It's got this little brush on it, and it's kind of almost like an opalescence color. What I like about it is I used to have to let my duo eyelash glue sit out for a while and then do the rest of my makeup while I was waiting for it to get tacky. Not so with this. This, I just paint on. I am telling you, I almost have to wait no time at all. Okay, so I've painted it on. It's easy to see because it's kind of a opalescent color. And then, why not? I have a little on the brush. I like to take the tiniest little bit and go right there in the middle, and right here on the end, just the tiniest little polka dot, okay? We're talking a little tiny polka dot. I might blow on this for a few seconds, but I'm telling you, this is the easiest glue and the fastest glue I have ever worked with. I can put this on and pop that lash on so quickly, whereas before the duo took a long time to dry, and even after it was on the eye, it would take a long time to dry. Okay, so I always hold it in the middle with my tweezers, and then I look into a mirror and I tack it kind of in the middle first, and then I will kind of do the outer corner, kind of get that outer corner in, and then it's almost on, not yet. I also want to show you something fun. If you don't have these for cuticles, the little orange pushers, the little cuticle pushers, go get yourself an orange wood stick, because we're going to use this in a minute, okay? And now I'm going to tack down this inner corner. Now I have a little mascara on today because I just did a eyeshadow tutorial. If you want to see how to do daytime or evening eyeshadow, you can go on my YouTube page and look for that tutorial. But normally I do not wear mascara with lashes. I'll wear it on the bottom, but I don't wear it on the top because it's just harder to put it on. You're fighting with your lashes. Okay, there you go. Now, this is where this comes in. We're gonna take our little orange wood stick. We're gonna kind of push it down real carefully. And that is on securely, and look at that. Okay, I have pretty long eyes and I have pretty almond eyes, but I am telling you, I do not wear a full strip. You cannot wear a full strip. So this is why we cut off those first little pieces and those last little end pieces. And this is on so securely, and I can wear these for about 8 hours. One day I did have one starting to lift in the middle, and that's when I decided, oh, I'm gonna do a little trick where I do polka dot, polka dot, polka dot, and then you've got that double adhesion. But do you see how quickly that popped on? I know you can do this. The beauty is this glue, this Thrive Cosmetic Glue. It's a little pricier than regular glues, but my gosh, it's safe ingredients. You're not putting formaldehyde on your eyes. So now I'm gonna do right here. Ignore my nails. I know they're absolutely horrible. Ignore, ignore. Okay, we got the eyelash glue on here. Remember, I highly recommend the Ardell 110s, but I didn't have them. But I also really like these little shies. I use these Kiss Shy on a lot of actresses or even weddings because they're pretty natural. You can't really tell that you have a strip lash on. And then again, while I'm waiting for this to dry, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna put a little tiny polka dot here, a little polka dot here, and a little out here. Okay, see how my lashes got in the way? I'm gonna take it off the lashes. I don't want it on the lashes, although it's not gonna hurt your lashes, especially because it's non-latex and formaldehyde free. Okay, I'm gonna pop this last one on. This would probably conclude my IGTV video, but you saw how quickly I popped this on. You can go to my YouTube channel to watch the end. Okay, now we have it We have the glue. See that? See how it's kind of a opalescence? And then I did the 3 little polka dots. I'm holding it with my tweezers in the middle. Blow on it, barely any time, not even a minute. And now I'm gonna pop it on. These are the fastest lashes I have ever put on, and it's because of this eyelash glue. This is a great eyelash glue. I personally have never worn these lashes, the Shy. My favorite are Wispies. They are incredibly long and obnoxious, but I love them. And because see this huge space I have between my brow and my eyelid, the Wispies just work really well for me, but I don't recommend them for people starting out because they are so incredibly long. It looks like Snuffleupagus. Okay, now that I have that tacked on, let me see, is this one lifting? This one might be lifting a little. Go back in here, tack it down with this little, that's why I love these orange wood sticks. They're really gentle and they can really get in there without poking you in the eye. Okay, so I have my orange wood stick here. I love it. Look at that, you guys. I mean, doesn't that just elevate? It lifts your eye, it creates a younger look, it creates dark, dramatic lash line. It has nice length, but if you see me in person, it's not obnoxious. It's really pretty. This one wants to fight me right now. I'm used to using my Wispies. The Wispies are an easier lash line. If you see a lash line that has a big black strip on it, stay away from those. They're gonna fight you. They're gonna wanna lift in the corners. They don't wanna curve to the eye. You want a lash strip that has almost an invisible band, okay? And that's why I love my Wispies, because it's an invisible band, but when you've got that big black strip lash, you're really gonna fight with them for a few minutes until that glue dries. But there you go. These are on, the glue feels dry. And again, I've been wearing lashes for 30 years. I started wearing lashes in 1989. I grew up with a mom who's worn lashes since the 60s. So for me to notice an immense difference in this lash glue and how long the glue takes to dry, which is no time, how quickly they pop on and stay on all day. And the best part, no latex. Yeah, that looks great. No latex and no formaldehyde. So that's Thrive Cosmetics. I can put a link. I think Thrive might be doing 20% off right now for brand new people. That's how I got mine. I got 20% off because I was a brand new customer. And I like the Thrive Cosmetics, and Beauty Counter doesn't make an eyelash glue, so I am super happy to go with companies who still do safe ingredients, but effective and luxurious, okay? These feel great. Another thing I noticed about these is I used Duo glue for 30 years. Well, I always felt the lashes. The Duo glue, because of the latex, the springiness, think of a latex balloon, I always felt the lashes on all day. They didn't bother me because I was used to them, but you could feel them. When you look this way or up or down, you could feel the lashes. But with this glue, because it doesn't have latex, I don't feel like I have lashes on. I just feel like, you know, I have mascara. It's the most comfortable glue I've ever used. Okay, so I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, but I promise with a little practice and with a quick, safe eyelash glue, you are going to put these on so quickly. Again, this was Kiss Shy, but I actually think Ardell 110s are even better to start with for someone who's brand new. I just don't currently have that number. And I personally love Wispies, either by Ardell or Christina. I get a whole pack of 6 or 12 of them on Amazon. Christina with a CR, not a CHR. And they're called Wispies, but they're crazy long. Think Snuffleupagus. But I love them. I just love them. But look at that, you guys. I love lashes. They just make such a difference and they're so pretty. And you'd be shocked at how many people don't know you're wearing them. They think that they're your own lashes. Or in this day and age where everyone's wearing lash extensions, nobody knows anymore whose lashes are real, whose aren't. But when I can glue them on this quick and it's a safe ingredient, I'm gonna go that route every single time. So I hope that helps. Talk to you guys later.